This is number 8 from the 2025 Algebra 1 EOC. It says, what is the equation in slope-intercept form of the line that has a slope of -2/11 and passes through the point 22, 5? All right, so we have a slope of -2/11. We want to pass through the point 22, 5. So because we have a point and we have the slope, we're going to use point-slope form. And so point-slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So now we just plug in everything we have. So we're going to do y minus y1 is going to be 5 equals m is our slope, which is -2/11, times x minus x1 is 22. And so now we have our equation in point slope form. Now we just have to convert it to slope intercept. So first things first, multiply -2/11 to both terms. Our y minus 5 is going to stay the same. And that's going to give us -2/11x. And then -2/11 times -22 is going to be +4. And so now to get to slope-intercept form, we want to get y by itself. And so to do that, we're going to add 5 to both sides. That's going to cancel and leave us with y equals -2/11x. And then 4 plus 5 is just +9. And so that's going to give us an equation of y equals -2/11x plus 9. And so we are going to go with letter A. If you're getting ready for the Algebra 1 EOC, or you just want some extra help in Algebra 1, I've created a platform just for you that has thousands of practice problems, all my video lessons. And so if you want to check it out, just comment all day and I will send you the link.